Hi guys! We went to Khawaneej Last Exit, one of Dubai's most unique and Instagrammable pit stops. If you're a fan of food trucks, creative vibes, and a touch of the unexpected, this is a place you don't want to miss. Think retro pickup trucks, neon signs, quirky art installations, and a lineup of food that have your taste buds buzzing. What makes Khawaneej Last Exit stand out isn't just the food, it's the atmosphere.
Ma'am,
Paano mag-drop?
isang part lang. Yan.
Baka malaglag ang key.
Okay.
We headed over to the Promise Bridge. We brought our own padlocks and added them to the collection. It's a symbolic little gesture. People leave locks here as a sign of love, friendship, or personal promises. We made ours and clipped them on, adding our own tiny story to the bridge.
Yan ba'y ano? Sigurado ka na dyan.
Tucked away in the peaceful neighborhood of Al Khawaneej, this destination blends urban street style with a countryside twist.
Ano, ilak mo na kaagad?
Families love it here. There's plenty of open space, a relaxed vibe, and even little touches of farm life for kids to enjoy. And at night, the whole place lights up, giving it that cozy cinematic glow that makes evening visits extra special. The space is packed with visual surprises, from hay bales and windmills to graffiti-covered walls. It's like stepping into a mini road trip without ever leaving Dubai.
Will be that line, like that. Okay. Ready? And then you have to spin it until you hear these sounds. Try that. Down, sir. Great. Now shoot the center. Try aim in the circle. Now again the circle. Great. Now shoot. Okay. Try again. Okay. Come on. You got this. Let's repeat. Make it like this. Aim the center.
To end the evening with some action, we checked out this shooting simulator. This part was super fun. Whether you're a beginner or someone who loves gaming, it's a great way to test your aim and just have a good laugh with friends or family. So whether you're passing through or planning a chill night out, Khawaneej Last Exit delivers flavor, fun, and a whole lot of photo ops.
85. Very good. Thanks.